Can you hear that noise? If you're driving on your private land like we do here, you ain't got your seatbelt on, if you're anything like me, you'll find that bloody annoying. I mean, we use the car a lot on our own land, towing the trailer in and out of the woods. That noise is hell, basically. I'm going to show you how to switch it off. Let's switch the car off. I'll get the seat belt ready. Keep your foot off the brake pedal. Put your ignition on. It'll come up like that. Get your seat belt down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You'll hear the bing. Ignition off. Then we're going to start it up. Now we'll go for a drive. You've still got your seatbelt symbol on. Oh, no seatbelt chime. You've still got your warning on your dash, but no chime. And that is how you disable your seatbelt chime on a 2010 Range Rover. I think it's very similar on the pre-facelift versions and probably on the 4.4s as well. If you can't be doing with that seatbelt chime, when we're out on the road, always put a seatbelt on. You know, no big deal. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.